So this is river. I don't know the name of the river, but I think it's Bogue River. It's a river in Bogue. And I'm told that it comes from all the way in Manchester. Oh, this is Bogue, St. Elizabeth. Yep. Yep, so I'm gonna go in. Yeah, it's about time. We've been coming here for so long and yeah, hear about the river and don't get to come. So yeah, it's time to go in. Step into the water. Yep. Step into the water. Way down a little dip deeper. Step into the water. Step into the water. Way down a little bit deeper. Yeah, Jamaica is so blessed with we're called the land of wood and water. And yeah, this is a nice body of water. Yeah, nice body of water here. Yeah, we are blessed, truly blessed. Yeah, there's David. We're truly, truly blessed. Truly blessed. Yeah, this is river water, Bogue water. Oh, so nice and cool. Yeah, I haven't had river water in a long time. But yeah, I'm gonna lay down. I'm not gonna get my hair wet because I don't want to have to deal with the repercussion of having it wet at this time of the day. Yeah, it's almost sundown. It's about 4:30. But yeah. Woo. This is nice. This is pure river water. If you're to drink any water, make sure it is either a spring or a river. Now, you can get the water filter. I would recommend you drinking this straight as is, because you don't know where the river head is. But yeah, this is really good, really nice. You know, Jamaica is rich. We're rich. We're rich with a lot of minerals, a lot of, well, it says Jamaica, wood and water, land of wood and water. Land of wood and water. Yeah, this is a blessing. Very, 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 very much a blessing. Praise God, from whom our blessings flow. So yeah, I'm gonna get out of here now. I would love to stay a little longer, but I'm gonna get out of here now. Woo. Yeah, there I have pulled off the shirt. Yeah. So this is the top part of the river. Yeah. It's coming from Manchester. Yeah, we're about to leave. Yeah, that was nice and cool. Awesome. Awesome water. Yeah. Praise God. Blessed. God bless Jamaica. Land we love. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.